really don't, and I'm the president.
Hi, I'm Eden. And I'm Anna.
And we're the recruitment team. Welcome to Open House at Alpha Chi Omega.
Alpha Chi means love and understanding when you need it most.
Alpha Chi means having sisters that help you grow into the person you want to be.
Alpha Chi means family.
Alpha Chi means always having a friend to go on spontaneous adventures with.
Alpha Chi means getting out of your comfort zone even if you might not want to.
Alpha Chi means seeking the heights.
Alpha Chi means home even when you're hours away from your real one.
Alpha Chi means always having girls to be your galentine.
Alpha Chi means having a support system no matter what you're going through.
Alpha Chi means lifting up and empowering women around you.
Alpha Chi means working hard both in school and when volunteering.
Alpha Chi means supporting your community.
Alpha Chi means surrounding yourself with ambitious women.
Alpha Chi means always having study buddies to motivate you.
Alpha Chi means radiating confidence.
Alpha Chi means laughing all the time.
Alpha Chi means getting to feel completely comfortable in your own skin.
Alpha Chi means having a safe place to go when you need a friend.
Alpha Chi means finding your role model.
Alpha Chi means getting to live with your best friends in the house.
Alpha Chi means being empowered by your sisters to speak out.
Alpha Chi means knowing love shouldn't hurt.
Alpha Chi means real strong women.